Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
To my abode.
Senior Advocate Jongka Ying Bishar High Court uba Viji Kynta haka arpu pratrek unawing arjar puar ula penyeso eladi bat kaseng san partai Bharatiya Janata Party daka jingtmu bat aireng haka election na Nongthymmai Constituency shaka ying dorbar thawan ke jela kaban salong husnam arjar pulai. Ya uba Viji Kynta la pediang buram the National Secretary Jongka BJP Shri Rituraj Sinha haka jingalang kabala long ha opus rekam Jongka BJP hanong ba shilong haka bala sakilang daki nongkit kam Jongka Riga Party.
Mr. Sukharam K. Salma from Belarus.
Yes. You are welcome.
Then Dipul R. Marak.
Yes. Welcome to
Then we have the Albert Marak. Albert Marak.
ex-MLA. Welcome to
Then Mr. Devojit Wadri, the retired Additional Secretary MPDCL.
welcome.
Then we have Mr. Pradeep Bla, the retired Assistant Director of Sports, Nehu. Then we have Mr. BGK Kynta, Senior Advocate, High Court, Meghalaya.
Welcome.
Another one is Mr. Richard Lee Jana Nongbet, Advocate and former Public Prosecutor. So we welcome all of you to
Residents off and on, and I'm so grateful to him for having come to my abode. People will be questioning how Mr. Kynta is joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, this is the first time that I have joined a political party. In the past, long time ago, I was in the Khasi Students Union. I was a finance secretary. And during that time, I'm considered to be some sort of a person who holds everybody by their nose. In Khasi, we call Si Samkhmut. So in the background, I used to be the leader that I am. Yes, I was a leader in the National Students Union of India also. And that was a privilege then. And of course, I am enticed by the activities and workings of Bharatiya Janata Party. Long time ago, I used to comment that if I join a political party, it will be the Bharatiya Janata Party. It has been my motto, my wish, that if you want to swim, swim in a big ocean, not in small muddy ponds. I consider all regional parties, which is, you can say, the MDA, to be political parties swimming in small ponds, muddy ponds. At the end of the day, we have to depend on the mother in the center, which is run and controlled by Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, it is a fact that I have been very vocal lately, and I want to tell you all that I don't want to be a voice in the wilderness, a lone voice. I have been raising so many issues from time to time, and I've been very vocal about the corruptions. I've been vocal about the use of black money. It is a fact that we Khasis don't file income tax returns. And for that reason, we have got so many millionaires, I can say, whose wealth is unaccounted. I feel that in order to be responsible citizens, it is high time that we file income tax returns. We contribute to the nation. Nakwa banong ba nakapor ngala jukang. Yaga bamsa ngala jukang. Yaga jingdu iki jaka ki puta ki joni. Na join dia kini ka party daga jingtmu kaba kongsan kata kani banyadai ki siap ki khndo ki joni. Banyadai ki assets mark po khndo ki joni. Nasi bon na fi pila bandai ki ba khai du yong khai motion bandai kadi wei ni ki briu ki ba la ek bahai ka environment. Na ko ba banong se sisin ba dara ka policy jong ka BJP dara hakno no ka por kalong persya ya ka jat bandriu khasi jatia ganong ye phi bangan ha panieng rangba banong ba. This is not a good policy for our people. Kadang kajingkaran sipang ka uniform civil code. Ka BJP company ka political party ka pasdang ka banwara ka ni ka battrikam ka uniform civil code. Kadai ka beradan lupa ha ka kindon jong ka Constitution of India. Pilapan puli ka Article 44. Nadu pasdang ka Constitution of India kladan ka ni ka uniform civil code kani badan kawai. Ka uniform civil code. Tendre kala judon kapor baga keren baga ong ba ka uniform civil code ka nomla bantai ha ka jai pendriu khasi jantia jase ha ka jai pendriu karun. We have got our own land tenure system which is different from the rest of the country. Mr. Rituraj perhaps will try to educate him on the local scenario so that you can acquaint with our identity, with our ideas, our love for land. Land we call kame. Once our lands are alienated, that burns, that hurts us. So I want to use this platform, the Bharatiya Janata Party, where we can secure our borders. We don't care if other states are being run by BJP government, but here the BJP of Meghalaya should see that we secure our land, secure our assets. Hakini kisi kadang katu kajinya siat sopo mukro. Now this is a very touchy subject when people from other parts of the states come and shoot our people. It's very hurtful, painful. I have to tell all of you that most of you have been here for last many generations. You breathe the same air, you breathe the same feeling. When people are murdered or killed, that hurts you. Violence is a crime against humanity. I take this opportunity this evening to tell the political parties from neighboring states, please don't come and encroach into our land. I should not use this platform to speak too much about what should not be spoken at this time, but I will take this opportunity to thank the leaders of the BJP for having invited me here, and perhaps in the near future I will stand for the interests of my people. Kublai Shibon.
Okay. One more. No, not the one.